In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. So you'll want to watch this till the end, because at the end of this I'm going to give you the details of how to get access to some free landing page software or sales funnel software. If you don't know what that is, it's where it allows you to collect people's email addresses and to be able to automatically set it up so that it emails people. Really, the best way to build an affiliate marketing business for the long term. It's the difference between getting affiliate commissions and building a long-term affiliate business. All right, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you've been to the channel before, welcome, and thanks for coming back. I love the fact that you keep continuing to watch my videos. Now, if you're new to the channel and you want to get notified when I post videos, hit the red subscribe button below and that blue bell icon, and every time I post a video, you'll be notified. All right, so today we're going to look at how we can use YouTube to make money with affiliate marketing, even if you hate or even if you don't want to make videos. So I'm over here on YouTube. Now, this works really, really well with physical products. And I've just typed in the top 5 blenders, and I'll do the search again so you can see. And you need to you can do this with digital products or physical products. It works really, really well with physical products because, all right, people want. I just picked blenders as I looked in the kitchen. I thought, well, what can I do it on? And I saw a blender. I thought, all right, let's do it on blenders. So I put in top 5 blenders. Now these results came up, but what you'll see here at the top of the page is a filter. Now what you do, because we're going to find some videos already existing with that heading, with that title, top 5 blenders, that you can actually use as your own. So we filter by what here under features called Creative Commons. Now Creative Commons is a process where people will upload videos and give you the right to download them and reuse them as your own. So let's have a look. And I always want to go into the video and have a look in the license, make sure it hasn't just popped it in here in the wrong place. So let's just click on the first one. It's got 197 views a year ago. And some of these are, this one here, 9,000 views 2 years ago, 5,000 views 3 years ago. So what you do, I'm just going to use this one as it's the first one here. And I'm going to click on that and I'm going to open it. And I just want to make sure that it is actually Creative Commons. So what we do is we just scroll down here and we'll probably need to open it and say show more. And look, you can see they're doing exactly what I'm going to show you how you can do. They've got all these affiliate links in here. And this is what we're interested in: license, Creative Commons, attribution license, reuse allowed. Now you can click on that and read what you can actually do if you want to. But believe it from me, you can actually reuse this. As it says, reuse allowed. Now I've clicked on that link. You can go through this here and it'll tell you all about it. And you're not going to get copyright strikes. That's why there is such a thing called Creative Commons. Okay. Now, I just picked blenders. You might use vacuum cleaners. You could use, I don't know, guitars. You could use many, many things. Cameras, best top 5 cameras. And it works well when you put top, whether it be 3 cameras, 5 cameras, works well because what we want to do is we want to not only review one product, we want to give people an option to have a look at the reviews. People are lazy, and if they're looking to buy a camera, they're looking to buy a blender, are they looking at the top 5 blenders, they want someone to put all the information together so they can come and watch a video and then go from there and buy it. So here we are, just having a bit of a look. Really basic video, but it does the job. Now, the other way, you can go and make a screen capture video of, say, 5 websites of 5 manufacturers, if you want to do that. But this way, you can do this. You can download this video, use it as your own, and then so what you're going to do, you'll want to start a new channel. If you haven't got a channel, start a new channel, and you might call it. Well, this one's called Review Pro. You might call it Top Reviews. Call it something, but don't make it specific to one product. Like if you call it Top Reviews or Best Reviews, 101 Reviews, something like that, which will allow you to do reviews of different products, or to, put videos of different products there, so that you want to keep them separate from your normal channel. So that, and then like in your description, in the title of your channel, put something about top 5 reviews, best reviews, or review. This one's called Review Pro as well. Now, before you do much else, you want to go over to Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliate Program, and sign up for an account. Now, you'll probably need to put in a website, and what I suggest if you don't have a website is just to put your YouTube channel, or if you've got a Facebook group, something so that it fills that spot. I don't know that they actually look at it, but if you've got a YouTube channel, I'd put that in there. Now, so what you do, you go and sign up. I'm not going to go into that. It's pretty straightforward to do. And then what you're going to do from there, you're going to go back into Amazon, and you're going to get 5 blenders. Now, they may be the same as the ones that are listed here, and you're going to get the affiliate links, or the associate link as they call it. And then you're going to put, as this one here says, so beautifully done for me to show you. This one says, here is the list of the top 5 blenders that you can buy. I wouldn't even put on Amazon. And here, I'd just say, here's the link to the top 5 blenders. And you'd list them. I'd probably go the other way. I'd go from 1 to 5. And each, you put a link to each product that you'll get from Amazon here. Now, you don't really care which one they buy. You're giving them choice, which makes it easier. They don't feel like they're being sold something. You give them a choice. You don't care which one they buy. And you know what? With Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliates, anything they buy, after clicking on one of those links within 24 hours, you get paid a commission on. Now, the commissions, are not the greatest as far as affiliate marketing, but if you get enough traffic, you can do really well out of that. Now, they pay somewhere between 1 to 10%, depending on the product, depending on the category. So and they've got some other stuff here as well. I wouldn't go putting all this in here. I would just concentrate on the 5 products. And then I would add some tags like they have here. And what you can do, you can use this free Chrome extension here. This one's TubeBuddy. There's another one called vidIQ. What that'll do, if you look at some of the competition, you can look at, and it'll show you the tags of those the competitions, and I would copy them and I'd paste them as my own. You can write a bit of a description. You don't need to write that much. You might put a couple of lines about each one, and that's how you'll actually make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing, by getting these videos that are Creative Commons, downloading them, re-uploading them, and then monetizing. That's what we call this, is monetizing them. Now, you've done it for one product. Go and find as many products, as many Creative Commons videos that you can find, and just do a search and don't put anything in the search bar, and filter it by Creative Commons and have a look. Or you might just put the word reviews and just see what comes up, and then go and find a product on Amazon and come back and just add another video and another video. with multiple products. You could do multiple videos, with the same affiliate links as well. If there's multiple videos that you can find that are Creative Commons, you can do this. You might have 3-4 videos all pointing to the Amazon affiliate for best blenders. I've just done another search for best vacuum cleaners, and as you can see, the same thing. There's lots of them as well. Now, what I would also do is sometimes a lot of these companies have their own affiliate programs, and they'll pay you more than what Amazon would. So if you can deal direct with these companies, go and sign up for their affiliate programs and put those links in your YouTube channel. Another one, best 5 cameras, and of course they're all filtered by Creative Commons, but just check the description that it is. All right, so that's how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. And if you've got value from this, I hope you have, consider subscribing. Hit the red subscribe button below and hit the blue bell icon, and I'll notify you every time I post a new video. And if you're interested in seeing how I make money with affiliate marketing, how I can make $1,000, $1,500 per sale, there's some information in the link in the description. There's a link in the description below that you can get access to that. If you've got any comments or questions, post them in the comments section below. I always answer questions. Now, as I said earlier, if you waited till the end, I was going to give you some details or how to get access to a free landing page software, because you could also make a big difference here. You could do this a smarter way. Instead of putting these links here, wherever it went, the links in the description, what you could do, you could collect email addresses. You could send them to a landing page first. When they put their email address in, it then automatically redirects them to those affiliate links. So you could collect email addresses and then be able to automatically send them, firstly, some more information on the product, which helps you get a higher conversion, and then you can send them other offers relevant to what the category is. So if you just look up here in the top left of the screen, there'll be a thumbnail where it says get lifetime access. If you click on that and then look in the link in the description, it'll show you how you can, it'll take you to how you can get lifetime access to this landing page software for free. All right, I hope it's been value to you, and I'll see you in the next video.